started in a bank, so from bank to a band. So this is the journey that I have, and I was a corporate employee for 5 years, and then started the company called Hosting Hive Entertainment, and also started singing along. So this is the journey from bank to band. So I feel every year the trends are changing. Earlier it was only DJ, then it came live bands, and then now it's also a DJ based band. But all in all, that is common is about entertainment. And now it's all about visuals also. How you present yourself on stage. It is all about that. People know me not as a singer but as a performer. And this is what especially the crowd or the client wants. And so there are different forms of only singing. So yes, you need to be an entertainer, performer rather than only a singer. Alright, that's crazy. Asking a singer to select only 5 songs is a bit difficult. The occasions are about, or the celebrations are all about personalizing the choice of family, right? It's not only about dancing numbers, it's also about connecting to the crowd. The line is, there is something for everyone out there, be it the youngest crowd who want to listen to Arijit Atif, or Kishore Kumar fans or the Mukesh fans or the retro fans in the house, and also people who want to just groove and dance to the latest number of Ranveer Singh. So this is that. Absolutely. અમદાવાદમાં હોય, ગુજરાતમાં હોઈએ અને ગુજરાતી હોય અને ગરબા ના કરો તો ચાલે જ નહીં. So be it any occasion, any celebration, we need Garba, that is for sure. And that too, Dakhla and Sanedo is the king into the celebrations of Sangeet. It's all about personalization, how you connect to your client or how you connect to your event planner in that case, or anyone who is booking you. You need to ask to them what theme it is. You need to ask them what the preference of the client is. So it's easier for you to take that back, and you can inculcate that into your performance. So we as a band, we sing in 7 languages, be it Hindi, English, Gujarati, Punjabi, Sindhi, everything, right? So it totally depends upon the client. If there is a client who says कि मारे खाली गरबा करवा है, right? So yes, we have folk singers along with us in a team wherein we can do 2.5-3 hours of a garba totally. Yes, we do that. Coming to a client wherein there are a lot of NRI clients coming in this season, last season, therein they would request us to sing. We need a bit of English, bit of Hindi also, and then of course Bollywood and dancing are the main part. But yes, we do customize few songs. We do customize the entire show according to the taste of client. Since we perform for every caste creed, it is not only about Hindi or Gujarati. There are a lot of Marwadi families that we perform for. There are a lot of Sindhi families that we perform for. So yes, we do a tailor-made show for them, whatever they request. They are the best complementary people around us. What are we? See, as a team, if I say I'm a singer, I'm nothing without my band. And similarly, if I want to show the visual that what I do, who are the people who will show me that who I am? It's not me who will speak and brag about my thing that I'm best touch karu chu. It's also about how a photographer or you guys feature us as an artist. So it's the best complementing thing for us. So they aren't annoying. They would ask us to be better, right? Do this stuff. You can jump on the stage. एक सिंगर तरीके तुम्हें खाली उभा रहीने गाओ, ये ट्रेंड चालતું હતું. But who said us to be unique? It's again you as a photographer or as a partners who shared with us, or the friends who are photographers who shared with us. You should do and try something good. So nothing like annoying. It's about creative.